We'll guide you through how to copy and paste Google Forms charts into a Word document. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in my Google Form responses. So I've gone and collected some data here, and now I want to go and copy and paste it into my Word document as I want to go and use them in here. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. We're actually going to show you two different ways in case the first way doesn't work for you, the second one should. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. What you want to do is return, come into a new tab to Google, press the apps button in the top right, and you want to find Docs. Come here and come to a blank document, paste by pressing Ctrl and V together, and you can go and press paste unlinked. And then what you want to do is go and repeat this for each chart. After you've got them all in here, press File in the top left, go down to download and download it as a Word doc. You can then go and open this up, and what you can then do is you can go and grab each of these charts, right click it in Word. Now you can right click on a chart and press copy, then come back to your document, right click, and you can then go and paste it in.